Hi, this is Anjaneyulu, Physics faculty. Welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are going to discuss about 9th class physics. The topic is focal length of combination of two thin lenses in contact. So two thin lenses in contact. For example, if you consider a convex lens of focal length f1, another convex lens of focal length f2, which are in contact. So then the resultant focal length or combined focal length formula is 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Here capital F nothing but equivalent focal length of combination of the lenses. So in this one, if two lenses are convex lenses, the resultant focal length also convex only. Convex lens focal length we will get. Next, if you combined one convex lens of focal length f1, another concave lens of focal length f2, then the formula is 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 minus 1 by f2. 1 by f1 minus 1 by f2. So depend upon the focal length values of convex and concave, the effective lens may be, the combination lens may be sometimes convex lens we will get, sometimes concave lens we will get. So here these are the concepts related to focal length of combination of two thin lenses in contact. Otherwise, if you combined two concave lenses, so here this is a one concave lens of focal length f1, this is another concave lens of focal length f2, then the formula is 1 by f equal to minus 1 by f1 minus 1 by f2. So then the formula again we can change it as minus of 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So here the focal length, effective focal length or resultant focal length will be negative. So that's why the combination of two concave lenses, result will be a concave lens. Result will be a concave lens. So these are the concepts related to this focal length of combination of two thin lenses in contact. Okay. Now problems based upon these topics. First problem, a converging lens of focal length of focal length 10 centimeter is placed in contact with a diverging lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Find the combined focal length of lenses in contact. So here the first option is 20 centimeter, second option is 0.2 meter, third option is 10 centimeter, fourth option is both 1 and 2. So what is the solution? See here, a converging lens means convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. So f1 equal to 10 centimeter is placed in contact with diverging lens of focal length 20 centimeter. F2 equal to minus 20 centimeter we should take, because diverging lens means concave lens, its focal length value will be negative sign. Okay, our aim is to find the combined focal length. The formula is 1 by F, 1 by capital F equal to 1 by F1 plus 1 by F2. 1 by capital F equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20, because here negative sign, so plus into minus minus. So 1 by F equal to, so here LCM is 20, 2 times minus 1. So 1 by F equal to 1 by 20, therefore F equal to 20 centimeter. So the effective focal length is 20 centimeter. First option is okay. But in second option, 0.2 meter. So 20 centimeter, if you want to convert it into meter, so 20 by 100, 0.2 meter we will get. That's the second option also correct. But third option is wrong. So here first, second both are correct. So fourth option is, both 1 and 2 is correct. Overall, fourth option is correct. Next, second problem. Focal length of one convex lens is, focal length of one convex lens is 3 times focal length of another, 3 times focal length of another converging lens. Another converging lens. If equivalent focal length is, if equivalent focal length is 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, then find focal length of, each lens. So first option is 20 centimeter, 60 centimeter. Second option is 40 centimeter, 120 centimeter. Third option is 10 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Fourth option is 30 centimeter, 90 centimeter. Okay. So what is the solution? Focal length of one convex lens is 3 times focal length of another converging lens, means that is also convex lens only. So here what we can take, if you take F1 equal to X, F2 equal to 3X. So if equivalent focal length is capital F equal to 30 centimeter, then we have to find F1 and F2 individually. So our basic formula, 1 by F equal to 1 by F1. So here 1 by small f1 you have to take. So 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. So 1 by capital F equal to 1 by, already capital F value given 30, 1 by x plus 1 by 3x. So 1 by 30 is equal to 3x is the LCM. Now here x, so here 3x, x cancel, that's why 3 plus 3x cancel 1. So in this one, see here this one cancel 10. So x equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore x equal to 40 centimeter. So x equal to 40 centimeter, that means First one is F1 is 40 centimeter, F2 will be 3 times, that's why 120 centimeter. So 40 centimeter and 120 centimeter, that's why second option is correct. Second option is correct. Next, third problem. Three lenses in contact have a combined focal length is 12 centimeter. Three lenses in contact have a combined focal length of 12 centimeter. When the third lens is removed, the combined focal length is 60 by 7 centimeter. 60 by 7 centimeter. Then the third lens is first option, a converging lens of focal length, a converging lens of focal length 30 centimeter. Second option is a converging lens of focal length 60 centimeter. And third one is a diverging lens of focal length 30 centimeter. And fourth one is a diverging lens of focal length 60 centimeter. So this is the problem given. So first see here, three lenses in contact have a combined focal length of 12 centimeter. So 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3 if you take. So in this one, 1 by 3 combination of lenses, the effective focal length is 12. So 1 by 12 equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 plus 1 by f3. But here the condition is when third lens is removed. Removed means if 1 by f3 is not there, so that means 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 only. If you taken into consideration, the combined focal length is 60 by 70. So here the combined focal length is, actually the basic formula is this one. So here 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 equal to 1 by 60 by 7. So here 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 equal to 7 by 60. So here instead of this 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2, we can take 7 by 60. Okay, now here 1 by 12, so that 7 by 60 when comes to left side, minus 7 by 60 is equal to 1 by f3. So in this one, here 60 is the LCM. How many times? 5 times. So here minus 7 is equal to 1 by F3. So minus 2 by 60 equal to 1 by F3. Therefore, F3 is equal to minus 30 centimeter. F3 equal to minus 30 centimeter. So minus 30 centimeter means the sign convention is minus means diverging lens. So our answer is a diverging lens of focal length 30 centimeter. So third option is correct. Okay. Thank you.